Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send money with Western Union. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to do that, first thing first, you can do it from your website as well as your app. You can download your app going to your Play Store or App Store respectively and download the app. Once you have done that, simply gonna go ahead, open up your app and log into your account. Or you can create yourself a profile if you haven't. Then you have to simply go ahead, select the send money option, which will be available. Once you select the send money, you will have to tap on find the location, which will be the same in your app as well. You have to search the destination of the country, just search the destination. Once you have done that, you're going to go ahead, once you have selected the country, you're going to simply go ahead, enter the amount, and then you're going to enter the delivery method, how you would like the amount to be delivered. Then you have to enter the receiver's information. Make sure you have got the receiver's information, where you're doing according to their payment receiving method. Go ahead, provide the information. Then tap on enter your payment details. Once you have done that, you're gonna go ahead, enter your payment details from which you would like to pay, whether is it your card of your bank or any other payment method. Once you provide the details itself, you will receive a confirmation email with the tracking number. So go ahead, check it out and provide the tracking number to your receiver. Once they have got it, then they will use the tracking number and then they will receive the money, and you will also get notified regarding that. Or you can simply ask your receiver as well. Now you can also do it in a person. You simply have to find an agent location, the Western Union nearby you. Go ahead with the proof of your ID and the money and the receiver's bank account information, and then go to the counter and simply provide the money and provide the recipient's detail, and then simply share the MTCN number that you will receive from the counter itself to your receiver for them to use it in any other Western Union branch, and they can use that number to receive the money. That's how you can do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.